This video tutorial will show you how to submit a paramedical claim to the co-operators using their mobile app on your phone. First step is to go to your mobile's application store and download the Benefits Now app. Next, log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, please contact the co-operators and they will assist you with setting up your account. After logging in, you'll see your account overview. To submit a claim, select Submit a Claim. For paramedical claims, no pre-approval or doctor's note is required. After choosing Submit a Claim, use the drop-down menu to choose which type of claim you are submitting. There are two options to choose from: health or dental. Next, select the patient for this claim from the drop-down menu. You can choose yourself or an eligible dependent. Enter your provider's information, which will be saved for future claims. If your provider can direct bill the co-operators, simply show your drug card and they will bill directly. Complete the coordination of benefits if applicable, and attach copies of your paid receipts. Finally, review your claim. Once all information is correct, click Submit. Your reimbursement will appear in your bank account within a few business days. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please call the co-operators at 1-800-667-8164 or email the Beneplan Client Service Department at service@beneplan.ca.